on protected models, so in this case here, this is a model I inserted into this drawing. You can see it says MS Symbol Entity, so that's a protected model. You can use the change color buttons, and what this lets you do is easily change the color and materials of the parts that make up that protected model. So for example, if we find the body, and let's make the color here of it red, and then for the material I want to set it to by layer, and then click apply. So here you're going to see that model now is red. And if we open up the layer manager and look for vehicle body, and I did make not a mistake, but I set the color of the actual objects to red, so I overrode the layer color. So even though the layer here shows white, I defined explicitly that I wanted to use a red color. If you wanted to use a layer color instead, let's say green, I'll set this to green and I'll show you how to modify that later. For the material, if we come in here and just set this to wood, and then if you watched some of the previous movies, you'll see I did this on a Camaro. And what you'll see now is you got that wood material on this vehicle. So I don't want that. I want to set that back to global. Okay, so now we're back to a red car. And if I wanted to set the color of the vehicle back to by layer, if I click in here and just set it to by layer, you can see now it shows green, and if I hit apply, we've got a green vehicle. So that's how you can edit the color and materials of protected models.